Christian, turn around and say hi. Come here. Don't you go over there. Turn around and say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody. I'm playing in the big snow. Is it deep today? Is it too deep? Let me see. Look at me. Whoa! Look at me. Is it deep? Can you look at the camera, please? Any? All right, I'm going to go in if you don't. You make a snow angel? Hi.
Hi.
Make a snow angel. Do your arms.
No.
Don't like that? Go drive your big fire truck through the trails that we made. It's too big out here. It's so dark. I can't even see good because it's dark. It's only 1 o'clock.
Oh.
It's so cloudy. Say, love you, Papa. Papa. Oh, we braved the snow for the second time today. I brought him out for a little while last night. About 4 o'clock. It was just a few inches. Now it's hard, packed on snow. He can't even hardly get through.
The hell over here, dude?
Why is what?
Why is the hell down over here, dude?
Why is it held down over there again?
Why is the hill?
Oh, the hill?
Yeah.
I don't know. Look, there's a snowman somebody made.
Yeah.
We need to make us one. It's still coming down pretty hard. All right, we love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.